Okay, today I wanted to talk about what to do if you get an EB-1A visa denial. So you filed your EB-1A visa petition, you probably got an RFE, and then after the RFE, the Immigration Service denied your application. Okay, what are your options? So you have several options. Your denial letter at the bottom tells you that you can appeal. You have around 30 days to do that. So if you wanted to appeal, you have to get moving. Um, and that appeal goes to the Administrative Appeals Office, which is within the Immigration Service. So we used to do that a lot, not just for EB-1A visa applications, but any type of application that was denied. Um, and that was really the common way of um, of handling a denial. The processing time is quite long, over a year or so. So that's one option. Second, you can, of course, refile, depending on what the denial was about. If I don't know if it was um, if it's too much to argue against in an appeal, you can always refile. And then finally, your option is to take your denial and sue um, the Immigration Service. So it's not as scary as it sounds. We honestly, that is the route that we've been going more often, particularly in the last 100 days with this administration, when there definitely has been more RFEs and definitely more denials that really don't make any sense. So what we've been doing successfully is suing the federal government. And the benefit of that is you take your case outside of the Immigration Service, you take it to a neutral arbitrator to just look. It's like a mediator, if you want to think about it that way. I mean, a judge, but the judge has no bias, doesn't either way. He or she will just look at your case, look at the law, and make a decision. Most of the time, we settle. We don't even go to a full hearing in front of the judge. We settle with the Immigration Service. I mean, their attorney. So the immigration attorney, excuse me, the Immigration Service have their attorneys, and then and it's actually they understand the law better. And so once they see your case and they see how you meet the letter of the law for an EB-1A, and at least in our office, 9 times out of 10, we just settle before it even goes any further. Anyway, so those um, are your options if you get a denial. Um, Please contact my office. I'd be happy to help you, answer questions. Please also drop some comments here and let me know what your questions are. I'd be happy to try to answer them. Talk to you soon. Bye.